currently, as you cannot see, basically, मेरे midterm exams चल रहे हैं, and I don't know, I actually thought that my second masters would be easier, but doing it in a separate, a different country, I don't know whether it would be easier or not, but yeah, मुझे ख्याल से मुझे ज़्यादा पढ़ना पड़ रहा है. पढ़ना पड़ रहा है कि नहीं मुझे नहीं पता, मैं पढ़ रही हूँ कि नहीं, बट या आई एम डूइंग इट. सो इट्स टेक्निकली आई एम वेरी बिजी. एंड जब से मैं आई हूँ लाइक एडजस्टमेंट के साथ, लाइक न्यू कंट्री के साथ, क्लाइमेट के साथ एडजस्ट करना, एंड देन फूड के साथ, एंड देन पीपल के साथ, एंड देन टाइम टेबल, एंड देन जेट लैग एंड एवरीथिंग टुगेदर, एंड देन आई डोंट नो कैसे 2 महीने पार हो गए मेरे. and I'm here in the middle, and I literally shot few content, and I did not had time to edit it, and plus my laptop इसमें already इतने सारे study material का stuff है, plus my videos are also I have to edit in this only, so it is like too much for my laptop as well. Full space is gone, so मुझे कुछ ना कुछ जुगाड़ बैठाना पड़ेगा. But certainly but today I think was the last day of my class. Like I have a summer break of around 1 week almost, and then I in the meantime I can edit few videos, and I can keep it so that I can post it for you guys as well. I have been inactive since so long, and I did not like it at all. I really love creating content, but I don't know, I did not get time, and so मैं नहीं कर पाई. but for sure मैं आपको अपनी न्यू ज़िंदगी के इनसाइड ज़रूर दूंगी, और मैं आपको न्यूयॉर्क ज़रूर घुमाऊंगी. तो मैं खुद भी ज़्यादा नहीं घूमी हूँ अभी. I 2-3 places में गई थी, and majority I have not visited. So yeah, come along and stay tuned to my channel, guys. And let me study so that I can content कल शूट करूँगी और एडिटिंग शुरू कर दूँगी. तो पहले एक एग्ज़ाम है मुझे देना है, and I can show you this exam that I have exam right now, and this is my this exam board, and this is that camera. I call you this all on, so I have sort of focus, and I really want to pass with flying colors. And literally it's so shameful because इतना पढ़ने के बाद अगर मेरे नंबर नहीं आए तो यार क्या करूँ. Still I have, why not, I'll pass this one. So guys, see. As promised, I'm going on a trip today. Guess where? Hey guys, so I am out from my place to go to the Statue of Liberty, and probably we would be going via a cruise. And I'm here in the station, Fulton Street में I get down daily, but I have never ever been to this place. It's altogether a different world, and I am coming here to have
What do you want?
coffee.
I'm gonna have mango shake.
I'm gonna have hot chocolate.
Coffee?
Hot chocolate. Sure. I'm here in this place. Probably gonna have hot chocolate without sugar because उसमें ज़्यादा carbs खा रही हूँ. And this is Dunkin' Donuts. A more good place to have coffee. In the station.
Music licensing reimagined.
So, as I was telling, that every day I travel to Fulton Street to my college, but I have never been to this place. This seems to be altogether a different world from the Fulton Street that I am used to going. But yeah, पूरा सा आगे उठकर ही ये जगह है, and I did not come to this place before. This is something new. Plus, so I'm going to Statue of Liberty, and बहुत दिन से मन था because when I came here it was really snowing and जगह स्नो से भरी हुई थी, तो मेरे को मौका ही नहीं मिला कि मैं जाऊँ. बट आज मुझे फाइनली मौका मिला है जाने के लिए, and I'm going to go to Statue of Liberty via a cruise. And guys, I've heard it's a bit expensive, it's $50 up and down. So let me see if it's really worth. Follow me along. is also Fulton Street. Ooh. And I am here at Fulton Street. उल्टा दिख रहा है ऊपर, but yeah, this is Fulton Street. And zoom out. Okay, come back. Yes. So guys, मेरा पूरा का पूरा जो कॉलेज है ना फुलटन स्ट्रीट के ऊपर ही है. सो कॉलेज के नीचे इज लाइक फुल स्टेशन ऑफ फुलटन स्ट्रीट रनिंग अराउंड एंड फुलटन स्ट्रीट इज रियली वेरी बिग. तो यहाँ से स्टैचू ऑफ लिबर्टी के लिए अलग ट्रेन पकड़ना है मुझे.
Music lesson.
And I'm having fun here. You know why? Because of this guy. Actually this is true, but कल ये मुझे छोड़ के जा रहे हैं. So we are here at Wall Street. We got on at Wall Street and then we gonna walk to the Statue of Liberty. The Wall Street Metro station. Yeah, this looks aesthetic by the way. Guys, यहाँ पे बहुत सारी सीढ़ियाँ चढ़नी पड़ती है. So पूरे दिन खा पी के निकलना घर से. अगर निकलोगे तो भूख लग जाएगा. God bless you. Oh, so nice. Ooh. Oh my god. This is like so nice. Station is like so.
Artlist.io.
I like this.
It's not too far. It's all from your college.
So it happens to me I am near my college. And this is the big clock tower.
Licensing.
Yeah, you walk. Come on.
So we're near the Wall Street. You can see that. Wall Street. Ooh, यही है Wall Street.
हाँ, देख ले बहुत.
I got that. So that Golden Bull is also here, and it seems to be like Pace University के पास में है. So I'm gonna check out that Golden Bull. So this whole food market seems to be a bit cheaper according to this. And walking through the streets of New York, walking through the streets of New York. Yeah. Guys, today is a very nice day, obviously. And
इतना बड़ा है.
obviously यहाँ का building बहुत मस्त है. Like everything is so aesthetic and old. Looks like a sort of paradise. Now I'm in a movie set. तुमको पता है बहुत सारा मूवीज का शूटिंग न्यूयॉर्क में हुआ है.
नहीं पता है मेरे को.
2-3 ब्रिज है ना, उसमें अनजाना अनजानी वाला सॉन्ग का शूटिंग हुआ है.
यहाँ पर ही होगा भूल ना दो मेरे को.
इधर and search for that bull, that iconic bull of New York, NASDAQ.
लोग क्या करते बताइए. बुल का करके फोटो खींचेगा तो लक होते हैं.
क्या करके बुल का
बॉल्स टच करके फोटो लिया था. It's like luck it seems.
Okay, let's
अभी
check
देखो,
that
अभी-
out. लक होता है कि नहीं होता है, लक होता है कि
हंस
नहीं.
के पास कलर चला गया होगा. It's करके
Oh my god, that is horrible. उसको टच करके विश मांगते हैं. That seems to be lucky. It's bull, and I am near this bull, and this is so funny because I'm also going to do that.
Music licensing reimagined.
So, ये रहा बुल, और बुल का पिछवाड़े को टच करेंगे अपन. Traffic, basically traffic blocked my way. And मेरे और बुल के बीच में बस एक रोड है.
Artlist RO.
And it's so nice. And this is the bull. Oh God.
Female Barcelona lì.
This is the bull.
Figa Barcelona lì. Female Barcelona.
And this is a 360-degree view of the bull. So it seems like people are really doing that. People are really doing that actually. People are doing that. That is so. That is so funny. So guys, I'm also going to do that. Let's do this. Look at this, guys. Yeah, sure.
Music licensing reimagined.
There's a whole lot of queue, which is here to take the picture with the bull. Basically, the balls of the bull. And it is discolored because a lot of people are touching it in the picture. Which I don't know how it is lucky. God knows. But yeah, if I get a chance, I would do that. But I don't have the courage to stand in this queue and take a
We're
picture.
coming back again for the self.
Yeah, let's go to the Tariq Library. Aja. See you soon again. Look at this bar, the buildings, and this seems to be like really nice. And don't look at his expression, that's really horrible. And look at this building.
What am I doing wrong?
You're giving weird expression that shows that you are angry. But trust me, not angry. मुझे देख लो. और इधर एक छोटा सा मार्केट है और जो कि पुरानी चीज़ें मिल रही है. बट आई लाइक दिस टी शर्ट ऑल्सो. दिस इज ऑल्सो नाइस बाय द वे. $2 में टोपी.
Music licensing.
न्यूयॉर्क लिखा हुआ हर एक चीज़ अच्छा लगता है. The word New York itself is aesthetic. ले लिया तुमको, ले लिया. बिल्डिंग अच्छा है. मुझे भी एक बिल्डिंग ले दो. So this is the entrance. यहाँ पर हर जगह बैटरी क्या क्या चीज़ें लगी हुई है. God knows. Probably this is a way to the cruise. पहले टिकट लेंगे and टिकट लेके हम क्रूज़ में चढ़ेंगे। और guess what, मुझे पता ही नहीं है टाइमिंग क्या है क्रूज़ का, और अगर बोट निकल गई होगी तो कल मैं फिर अकेले आऊँगी ये। बट स्टिल वाह, लुक एट दिस। I guess you cannot look at that because the sea seems to be so far. And
साइड में चल।
तो वहाँ जो आप एक किला जैसा देख रहे हैं दूर में, वहाँ से ही मुझे टिकट मिलेगा। Anyways, the views are also nice in this place, so I'm gonna enjoy the views. And oh wow, I cannot show you in the Statue of Liberty, but I can see the Statue of Liberty very clearly from here. Okay, like this castle, this is known as the Castle Clinton, and you get the tickets here. So follow me. तो यहाँ से हम अंदर जाते हैं. Some history in this way of Castle Clinton. Basically, sandstone was built in 1811. New harbor, and there's a lot of things in history, which I'm gonna jot it down a bit later because 8 बजे से 5 बजे तक ही खुला रहता है, and the chances that it will close. And okay, cool. Yeah. Okay. So, guys, I need to go to the washroom, and this is the interior of this Castle Clinton. There's a small museum in this, but I don't know if it's open or not. So, this is the ticket place.
So there's a good news for you. What is it?
Tickets are sold out.
So what we are going to do?
पता नहीं, बस 3 बजे तक ही टिकट मिलता है, और इसी वजह से आज हम लोग नहीं जा सकते हैं। सो पता नहीं कब जाएंगे, बट श्योर जाएंगे तो ज़रूर। मैं तो कल भी आऊँगी और अकेले जाऊँगी, देख लेना।
Hey, Telugu.
I don't know.
Only Telugu people are not.
I'll
Wait, let
show
me hold
you.
it for you.
No, so where are we going now?
We are going to walk on a Wall Street.
To do what, basically?
To do something.
Okay. So guys, we have no plans.
Okay, at least we'll go to the viewpoint, no?
And so we're gonna go to the viewpoint and just have some sightseeing, chill, enjoy, take notice of this place basically. So tickets तो नहीं है, मुझे बहुत दिन से जाने का मन था। हमारा देर हो गया सुबह, उठ गया बिकॉज टाइमिंग्स पता नहीं थी हमें। एंड गाइस पपट हो गया, कोई बात नहीं, नेक्स्ट टाइम चलेंगे। Painting people's pictures you can see, and this is the caricature braids, like 2 people $15, 3 people $25, and a lot of people are here for that caricature. मुझे नहीं बनाना, मैं खुद ही caricature हूँ यार, मुझे caricature की क्या ज़रूरत। तो मेरे साथ ये बड़ा वाला caricature है एक, और यहाँ पे है these motifs and they look nice. I don't know what are they trying to do actually. कुछ तो कर रहे हैं ये लोग, लगता है ये लोग ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे न्यूयॉर्क सिटी पहली बार आए हैं और बड़ी बड़ी बिल्डिंग को देख रहे हैं। कहाँ है बोट? वो रहा बोट, भाई बोट जा रही है। सायोनारा 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 सायोनारा, मेरा बाल छोड़ो। 10 नहीं है, मुझे तंग मत करो।